The clutch right here has been rebuilt. This is called a rear pulley right here. Okay, it's called a clamshell pulley because it opens. The belt starts at the top in first gear, just say low gear. In high gear, it goes all the way down to the bottom. It also has this yellow anti-torque deal. I bought it from some French company in Canada. They're like 12 bucks. You can get them like this, or you can get them, they have a little, like a little steel O-ring and a bunch of little ball bearings in them. You can do it that way. Then I put in a new clutch, a center yellow clutch spring. Tightened everything up, got it all nice and clean. Remember, oil does not go with any of these belts on any of the components or anything. What oil does, and I'm talking about oil, let's say WD-40, Generation 2, Motul, whatever. What the oil does is makes your asbestos pads right here, it makes them grab onto the clutch bell or anything else, and it will just seize up. And it's not supposed to do that. Your clutch is supposed to slowly go around and then slip. It slips and slips, and then when you give it maximum throttle, it throws these clutch shoes out like that, and when they go out, they grab onto the inside of the clutch bell. Now this was an interesting clutch bell. It's got little tiny holes in it for ventilation, which is good. I really do like it. I don't know anything about if they make performance clutch bells or anything like that. I have the stock ones, and I have this one. This belt right here, I really love this belt. This is full Ericsson, I believe. This is a full Kevlar belt. This is the number for it. Took me a while to find it. It wasn't very expensive. They're around 30 to 50 bucks, but they don't stretch. And with the big engine, when your belt stretches maybe, I don't know, that far, you know, just a little bit, your bike will not have top-end performance. So this is put aside. These are put away in my old junk drawer for a later date, and I'm going to put everything back together. I'm going to clean up my battery's just about out on this old camera, so I'm going to clean everything up here with a toothbrush and something and clean it all up and then put it all back together. So I hope you get a little bit more kind of educated on how these things work. Oh, this one, I'll show you real quick. This has the same problem. It cracked right there, cracked there, and it cracked right here. This is excellent. It's motorcycle accessories manufacturer, something or other. I don't know exactly who that is. This is a really good one. Anyway, I'm going to put the bike back together, and I'm having a good day today. I'm just working on my little hobby. Okay, DIOSpeedDEMON out.